What's up, guys? Bob Buskirk here again at ThinkComputers, and if you're a gamer on the budget, buying a $100, $130 keyboard is kind of out of the question. Now, Rosewill knows this, and they have their RK-8100 gaming keyboard. This thing is only 30 bucks. It features 18 key rollover and 10 programmable profiles, so let's check it out. Taking a look at the box, it lets us know that it has 18 key rollover, fully programmable keys, and 10 profile settings. On the back here, there are all of the specifications and features listed in 5 different languages. So here are the specifications, as you can see. And moving up are the features. Now, getting inside should be pretty simple. And getting inside here, we have the keyboard, and you have a little mini CD-ROM here. I'm assuming this has the software on it, and then you have a small little user's manual. We'll just go over the software and how to use the keyboard. Getting this all out of the way here, this keyboard out. You can see that it's wrapped in this plastic here. I guess it has this nice finish to it. Alright, so as you can see, it has this very, very nice glossy finish to it. It's nice and glossy, really cool look to it. This is not a mechanical keyboard, as most gaming keyboards now are mechanical, but it does have a pretty nice feel to it. Full keyboard, and then you do have the full number pad over there. Now on the right side here, you have some of these buttons. You have, it looks like a volume mute button, volume up, volume down, and you have stop and pause and play. You also have buttons up top here. You have previous, next, wake, sleep, and power. Now moving over here, you have my computer, email, search, calculator, and media. And then farther over, you have, I'm not sure what these do. I know you have back and forward, refresh, maybe favorite or save, and I believe this one is home. Like I said, let me set this down so I can show you here that you have red keys for your W, A, S, and D, and your arrows. Now, these are not just regular red keys. These actually have a rubber feel to them. Let me see if I can get real close and you can see that they are textured and have a very rubber feel to them. So it's going to be very comfortable while you are gaming. There is a logo right here as well, and this is actually going to light up when you turn the keyboard on. Again, this has 18 key rollover, and if you don't know what that means that you can hold down 18 keys at once and they're all going to count as a keystroke. This is very important for people playing games where you're doing a lot of different things and you want to press down many keys at once and you want to make sure they all register. Besides that, pretty basic keyboard. On the back here, you do have some rubber feet here too, rubber feet, and then you do have these 2 hinges here that pull out and will give you a little bit of an angle here when you're using the keyboard. This concludes our unboxing and overview video of the Rosewill RK-8100 gaming keyboard. As I said, it is only $30, and for $30, you're getting a pretty nice keyboard, a good looking keyboard that does have 10 different profiles, 18 key rollover, as well as many different function keys. Also, you have the WASD and arrow keys that do have the rubberized feel to them. So it is a pretty good deal. Check back very soon on thinkcomputers.org for a full written review, and we'll catch you guys later.